I'm totally excited to start my new job next week. That movie was totally hilarious and had me laughing the whole time. My parents were totally surprised when I told them I was getting married. I'm totally in love with this new book I'm reading. The weather this weekend is supposed to be totally beautiful. I'm totally convinced that we can achieve our goals if we work hard enough. That restaurant is totally overpriced for the quality of the food. I'm totally grateful for all the support my friends have given me. I'm totally impressed by the dedication and hard work of the volunteers. The concert last night was totally amazing and had the crowd cheering. I'm totally ready to take on this new challenge and give it my all. That hike was totally exhausting, but the view from the top was worth it. I'm totally fascinated by the history and culture of this country. The design of this building is totally innovative and unique. I'm totally proud of my team for all the progress we've made. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.